To help you get the most from your equipment, it's important to use the right fluids. Designed to our machine specs, approved by our experts, and put through extensive endurance testing, CAT oils and greases are proven to reduce component wear, improve performance, and increase equipment uptime. CAT oils and greases are the only lubricants recommended by Caterpillar for CAT machines. To get the most from your machine, it's important to choose the right grease. The main function of grease is to lubricate the moving parts of the machine in order to minimize friction and wear. In addition to lubrication, the right grease can help to protect the machine from water, dirt, and other contaminants, and to minimize rust and corrosion. Choosing the wrong grease can increase friction and wear, causing galling and scarring in critical moving parts. At Caterpillar, we continually strive to enhance our products to better support our customers and their equipment. In this functional test, we compared our previous baseline grease, Ultra 5 Moly, with our new CAT Extreme grease. Both greases are designed to lubricate machine parts and minimize wear. The pin greased with Ultra 5 Moly, which was our standard grease, shows noticeable wear, while the pin greased with CAT Extreme grease shows no wear at all, demonstrating the superior performance of our new product. Choosing the wrong grease can ultimately lead to machine downtime and costly parts and maintenance. That's why Caterpillar developed its own family of grease products to protect and extend the life of CAT equipment. With multiple grease varieties, each specifically designed as part of the CAT system, CAT greases feature technology that performs even in the most rigorous applications. You can count on CAT greases to greatly reduce galling and scarring, prevent seizing, and resist washout and corrosion of key moving parts. In other words, CAT grease will help protect and extend the life of your equipment. We offer just the right variety of greases instead of hundreds to meet the needs of your CAT equipment and the applications they work in. With simple, color-coded choices, the options are clear and there's less risk of selecting the wrong grease. What does this mean for you? Well, CAT greases are designed to stay in place in your machine's joints and bearings long term. As a result, less grease is needed over time, meaning you spend less time greasing your machine and save money in the process. No matter the application, working condition, or temperature, you can trust CAT greases to help protect your equipment and your bottom line. Enhance your machine's performance, protection, and uptime with the right fluids. CAT oils and greases.